Okay, good morning. We will start with the what was left behind yesterday. So we will start with the 81st question again. Yesterday we have completed till 80th question, right? So I hope there is no doubt, but still I will revise it. In the 78th question that you can see here, I'm sorry. In the 70th question that you can see here, the relation is seen as college is to dean. So what is to museum? To the museum is curator. Like curator is the person who takes care of the museum. Okay. Moth is to insect, so mouse is to rodent. So they talks about the class. Okay. The second, the mole is an insect. The class of a mole is an insect. The class of the mouse is rodent. Okay. And next, 80th. Given that 25th February 2008 is Monday, what day is 2nd March 2008? It's very simple and it is very evident that 2008 is a leap year. ठीक है. Leap year क्या होता है? Leap year is some like a year that occurs after every 4 years. ठीक है. जो साल the best way to find out a leap year is if the year is divisible by 4. ठीक है. Then it is known as leap year. Like 2008, it is divisible by 4, right? Then it is a leap year. Then it is a leap year. ठीक है. So here it is a leap year. So in the February month there will be 29 days. ठीक है. So 25th February 2008 will have 29 days. So it is 25th Feb, 25th, 26th, 27, 28, 29, 1 and 2. So 25th was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So answer is Sunday. ठीक है. Any doubt? I hope no doubt. Next, 81st question. Two statements followed by two conclusions are given. Read the conclusion and then decide which of the conclusion, if any, logically follows from the two given statement regarding the known fact. Statement one: all lamps are poles. Second: some poles are pipes. ठीक है. So if we'll make a Venn diagram. Okay. If we'll make a Venn diagram, it will say all lamps are poles. All lamps are poles. So this is poles. This is lamp. ठीक है. All lamps are poles. Some poles are pipes. Some poles are pipes. Okay. So the conclusion says some lamps are pipes. Some lamps are pipe. It is nowhere mentioned that lamps have any relation with pipes, directly or indirectly. ठीक है. Second, some pipes are poles. Pipes, some pipes are poles. Obviously, it is written that some pipes are poles. So it is this only conclusion 2 follows. So 81st answer is option B. ठीक है. Second, two statements followed by two conclusions are given. Read the conclusions and then decide which of the conclusions, if any, logically follows from the given statement regarding the known facts. ठीक है. Again, the best way to find it out is make Venn diagrams and then conclude it. Then come to a conclusion or something related to that. Okay. Some educated are cigarettes. Okay, it does not make any sense, but yeah, we have to make a Venn diagram. It says that you don't have to get into literal meaning. Okay. Some educated are cigarettes. Some educated are cigarettes. Educated cigarettes. Some educated are tables. Some educated are tables. Neither educated can be table, neither educated can be cigarette, right? But educated can smoke cigarette and educated can learn table. Okay. Some tables are educated. Some tables are educated, right? You can see that some tables are educated. So one is right. Some educated are not cigarettes. Some educated are not cigarettes. So conclusion two is also right. Okay. So option D follows. Any doubt? I hope there is no doubt. Again, the direction is same. The direction is same. Second. Direction is same. The statement is given. We have to find out if the conclusion follows. Okay. In an one-day cricket match, now we have to get into the little meaning a little bit. Okay. In an one-day cricket match, the total runs made by a team were 200. Out of this, 160 runs were made by spinners. Okay. 80% of the team consists of the spinner? No. No. 80% of the team does not consist of the spinners, but the score made by them is the 80% of the total. Okay. So first one is wrong. First one is wrong. All right. And second, is there any mention that the opening batsman or the like where spinner are playing, like wherever their position is, at what number they are going to they are going to be there, like they are going to be batting? Is it mentioned? No. So the second also does not follow, as it says the opening batsmen were spinners. No. So option D, neither one nor two follows. And if you see it very clearly here in option C and option D, there is one more rule of English. With either or comes mostly every time. Okay? Nothing else than that comes. With neither nor comes, nor follows neither. Always remember that. And usually, usually this happens. There is no exception for this. Okay? Now, this is the part where you can score again. All of the answers will be right if you will score properly. What you have to do is just be calm and cool and listen to whatever is just read the direction and whatever they want you to do it. Yeah. So the direction says that from 84 to 87th question, in each of the following questions, choose the option which contains regions common to the circle, square, triangle, similar to that marked by the dot figure A. Okay. Like if I will tell you, if I will show you, the dot figure, this is inside a square, is inside a square, circle, hmm, circle, but not, sorry, okay, but not inside any triangle or a rectangle. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find a figure in which this dot will fit. So let's see. Yeah, sorry. Okay, we have to find in which figure this will fit. Okay, mostly in 2 to 3 figure it will be fitting, but still, and it should only be inside this square and circle, nothing else. In this, where is circle and square? Okay, this is the region which is common for circle and square, but also rectangle is there. So A is not the answer. Okay, so here circle and square. So this is the region which is common to only circle and square. So it will fit here. It will fit here. Circle and square again. Circle and square. Here, this. Getting my point? This I am just trying to explain it to you how you have to solve this figure. This type of question. This is not the exact way to solve it. You are not going to just sit and just watch it. Okay. What you have to do is you have to be calm and cool and you have to watch for all the three of the dots or four or five or there might be two also sometimes that you have to do. This is only for one specific dot that I am doing. It won't fit here. Like don't have to you are not supposed to see if it is intersecting or not, if the circle and square is intersecting or not. What you have to see is if the dot is placed only in circle and square but not in triangle and rectangle. Okay, it has to be placed in the specific space where this is placed in the figure A. In the figure A, always remember that, and it is very easy. What you have to do is just go get a little bit closer to the camera, to the screen, sorry. Oh, good. Good. हाँ, अभी आइस करो है ना वो नीचे गए हैं नीचे गए हैं right. So we will see this. One dot is here, one dot is here. Okay. So the second dot is in triangle and rectangle. Triangle and rectangle here. No, but the first option, the first dot does not fit here. Okay. Triangle and rectangle. Here, triangle and rectangle are not even meeting or intersecting. So this won't happen. Triangle and rectangle. So triangle here is inside the circle. So we want only triangle and rectangle. So this is also not the answer. What will be the answer? Answer will be D. What else? If we will only observe for this single dot, uh, two of the options are eliminated. Yeah. For this dot, this is eliminated. So directly or indirectly, what you can say is option D is the answer. Okay. It is that easy. You don't have to be thinking much. You have to be just focused. You have to just see it very carefully. Nothing else. Yeah. 85th. Now here, one dot is inside circle and square. Circle, square. One. One is inside this one. One is inside triangle, rectangle, square. है ना? Triangle, rectangle, square. The third one is inside rectangle and square. We will see for all three. Circle and square, circle and square. Yes, circle and square can be placed. Triangle, rectangle and square, triangle, rectangle and square. Yes, it can also be placed. And is there any chance rectangle and square? Rectangle and square. Yes. So 85th will be option A. In the very first option, we got the answer, right? अच्छा ये तो मैंने किया था डॉट वाला डॉट ठीक है 86 86 I hope now you got how to solve it. So what you have to do is simple again. One single dot where it is placed, square and circle. This dot is placed in this area, which is common to triangle. First of all, circle. It is also inside a circle. Square, square, rectangle. All four of it. Okay. And this one is in this area. Sorry. This area. This area is common to rectangle, rectangle and circle. Anything else? है ना? ठीक है? चलो find it. मिल रहा है यूसुफ? So if we will go with the first option, square and circle does not meet separately like here. ठीक है? Option A is cut. Square and circle here, right? This is one of the option. Now we will go with this three. Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. See here there is a little bit space between them. Okay. Second also is like the second condition is also satisfied. But what about rectangle and circle? Rectangle and circle not possible. Okay. This is also gone. Again, rectangle we will go ulta now. Rectangle and circle here also, here and here. Okay. Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Triangle, circle, square and rectangle. See this gap, this here, a little bit space. Okay. It is common to all of them. And now circle and square, circle and square, circle and square. Circle and square does not meet alone. Okay. This is also gone. What is the answer? We don't have to see it, right?